What's going on, guys? Justpostit here with FlytPath.com, and in this video I'm going to talk to you guys about calibration. Now, we're not going to get into IMU calibration or compass calibration. I've actually talked about that in some of my setup videos. Instead, we're going to talk about the vision system calibration or vision sensors that are on your Mavic 2. I've gotten a few DMs, as well as I've seen on recent forums online that some people have been getting some vision sensor errors and it says calibration is needed. So I just want to walk you guys through exactly how I'm able to do that using the DJI Assistant app. So in this video, I'm going to go through with you how to calibrate the vision system sensors on the Mavic 2 using the DJI Assistant app. And I'm going to be using my Mac computer for this one. You can do it on a PC or a Mac. I'm going to walk you through how to do it on the Mac. So the first thing you need to do is go onto the DJI.com website and navigate over to the Mavic 2 page. And at the very top right, you can see it says downloads. Click on that. Once you click on there, on the right side under software, you're able to download either the PC or the Mac version. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to download the DMG file. Once you download the DMG file, you're going to go through a process of installation. Go ahead and go through the welcome to DJI Assistant installation, and we'll go to the next step. So now that you've downloaded and installed the DJI Assistant on your computer, you're going to want to take off the propellers, as well as you're going to need the USB-C cable that came with your Mavic 2. Now, once it's powered on here, as you can see in the top left corner, we have Mavic 2 Pro. All you have to do is select that. I'm currently on the latest firmware, which just says current right here. And what we want to do is go down to calibration on the left-hand side, click on calibration. And what it's going to do is going to show you a little tutorial on how to do it. Now, initially when I did it before, I thought I was doing it correctly. I'm actually glad that they added this tutorial in here because a lot of people were doing it wrong, or at least couldn't figure it out. So beforehand, they never had this tutorial, so I'm actually really glad that they do. Even though they have the tutorial in here, I still want to walk you guys through it because sometimes it gets a little tricky. A lot of people don't really understand what is going on and how to do it. Sometimes it's a lot easier just to show you guys with the drone itself. So what we're going to be doing is calibrating the vision sensors on the front, bottom, sides, and the rear. Now, once you understand how to do it the first time, as far as doing the front ones and how you're going to be positioning the drone, you're going to be doing the same thing with all the rest of the sensors. But just getting through the first one is actually sometimes the trickier part. So let's walk you through how to set up and calibrate the front sensors, the bottom sensors, the sides, and the rear sensors of your Mavic 2. So right now in the tutorial, it's actually telling me to hold the drone sideways just like that. And all you have to do on the bottom right is click next. Rotate the aircraft to aim at the box, hit next, and I'll show you exactly what that means. This is the correct way. So the correct way when we're going to be calibrating the sensors on here, we're going to be having to point the sensors at specific locations on the screen. So the way you're going to be pointing it is actually pretending that your drone is on a tripod, and all you're going to be doing is moving it this way. Initially, even before when I calibrated my old Mavic, I wasn't 100% sure how to do it. The tutorial wasn't there, and I would actually go like this and start moving my drone around because that's how I thought you're going to be calibrating it. But what you need to do is actually hold the drone straight, and depending on where you are as far as a distance away from your monitor, the arrows and the corners will tell you if you need to be closer or further away. And once you do that, you have to pretend that your drone is now sitting on a tripod, and you're going to be positioning it up, right, down, left, up, right. So I'll show you exactly that. Right now we're at tutorial 3 of 4. Hit next, and it's going to say this is the incorrect way, and that's to actually go like this and move your drone around. That's the way a lot of people would do it before this tutorial actually came out. And now it says calibrate now at the bottom right. Let's go ahead and calibrate. All right, here we go. We are moving the red arrows there. As you can see, we want to match them up. This will determine our distance away from the center of the screen. Now what it's going to do is show me exactly where you want me to point the drone. And what you want to do is point the drone into where the boxes are highlighted. Now you want to pretend like your drone is on a tripod. So you don't want to actually move the whole thing up and down. You just want to keep the center point right where it is and point the Mavic to match up with the squares. So you just want to keep it dead center. Like I said, keep the drone centered and pretend like it's on a tripod, and all you're doing is with your hands which are acting as a ball head, is just moving it around. And the good thing is the sequence of this will be the same for each one of the calibrations. So all you have to do is really just move the drone into that pattern. So you'll know it's going to be the exact same on all of them, so you know exactly where the next square is going to be. Once you do that one at this distance, it'll then have you move the Mavic backwards. That way it'll calibrate at a further distance. So there we go. Now it matched up. And I would recommend, like I said, use 2 hands, keep the drone steady, keep it dead center, and let's do the exact same pattern once again. So it'll show a little highlighted box right here. And get to the last box, and there you go. All right, now it says forward camera calibration is complete. It will now go into the downward calibration in a specific amount of time. So now what you do is turn the Mavic this way. So I have the top of the Mavic facing me right now. The bottom of the Mavic is pointed right at the screen, and same thing, we're going to do the exact same calibration. You're going to have it a little bit closer so the sensors will read that, and then you're going to do the same thing as far as moving the arrows to match up. So as you can see here, I need to move in a little closer right there, and that's the distance I need to be, and it'll now do the exact same pattern for me to follow. So now that I'm the right distance away, I'm going to point it down. So downward calibration is complete. Now we're going to do the rear. Now if you look at the photo, it's telling me, in the illustration, it's telling me to turn the Mavic this way. So it's still sideways, the camera's facing me, but the back, those 2 sensors are now facing the monitor. Now the only one, now that we get to the side sensors, it's a little tricky because you actually do have the cord here. But what you're going to want to do is fold under these legs. The back leg is going to fold under. Now the one on the cord side, of course, is not going to go all the way because of the cord. So it'll just be sitting right there, but it's okay. It just needs to be able to read that sensor on that side. So the first one we're going to do is, now we're going to fold it, and it's going to read the right sensor first. Position this up. Now the side sensors are a little trickier just because of the angle. Now let's move it in there, and then once you get it positioned again, you're going to go through the same patterns that we did on the previous one. So there you go, it's lined up, and we'll start low and work our way all the way around again. So the right camera is calibrated. Now it says fold the arms, and let's do the left vision sensor. So let's move it over to the left. There you go. Once it's done calibrating the side sensors, it'll now be calculating. Calibration information is being collected. It's going to calculate it, make sure that we're good to go. And if we are good, 100%, calibration is complete. Restart the aircraft. So as of right now, we should be good to go. So there it is, guys. I know it's a tedious process, but if you are getting that system error, that vision sensor error on your system update in the DJI Go 4 app, you want to try doing this calibration through the DJI Assistant on your computer. As always, if you guys got value from my video, don't forget to smash that like button, and of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. And if you guys are interested in the merch, the link is down below. Don't forget to support your content creators, and also a portion of all the purchases of my merch goes towards the Breast Cancer Association. This is Justpostit with FlytPath.com, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.